Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by focusing on prerequisites that actually move progress. Unlock all nearby teleport points and statues of the 7. This gives you fast travel and reveals unexplored pockets. Equip a light, mobile team so you can climb and glide without stamina issues, and bring characters that clear ore and break barriers quickly. As you run, open the map and mark domains, quests, and sealed chests to avoid backtracking. Once done with a cluster, teleport out and hit the next cluster efficiently. You continue by establishing a repeatable route for each region. I recommend a clockwise sweep or grid covering every node within roughly a 1-kilometer radius. Clear environmental puzzles and Seelies early, because they often unlock multiple icons at once and save trips. Employ gadgets like Wave Rider or Parametric Transformer, where traversal is slow, and use gliding strategically to conserve stamina. Make sure to open every chest and domain you encounter. These frequently trigger map updates. You finish by performing a thorough scan, zoom to maximum, and hunt for gray or faint icons that signal undiscovered spots. Revisit world and story quests, because some map markers only appear after specific quest triggers or NPC interactions. If something still looks missing, try relogging or switching to co-op momentarily. This forces a map refresh. As a last resort, clear the game cache or restart the client. Make sure to verify each region until the map shows 100% completion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.